Let's go this way.
Which one?
Follow Irish. Follow Aryan. Lapok. Well, be careful not to step on lapok. Make it a big step then para di maglapok. Imo na, mo ni mutukod. And yeah, then jump. Kabalo man di ay? Oh my god, it's lapok really. And it's not gonna hold me.
Five?
5? Tito June? 5 na mo nakuha? 0. We're fishing. No fish yet. 0. Nobody's biting yet. Water lilies. They deep? They said it's not that deep. Look.
Lolo is deep kaayo.
Si Lolo? Deep ya dito? Si Umay na po ikuha.
Gamay man na.
Lolo. Naroy kuha si Lolo. Si Umay nakakuha nagduha.
Arnold.
Among mother. Among visitor from America is right there. Our visitor from New Zealand is right here.
No.
She says she's a visitor from the Philippines.
I want to go with Tito Jonas.
I'm gonna make them go to Tito June. Na mga hadlok na nuna ang isda, di na mga duol. Si walay sulod. Ang sige pa mo dong. Lubi? Mukha na silog lubi? Ay. What tea?
Oh, daghan kayo din Tito.
Daghan mga gagmay kayo. Ilang kwaon day dagko man. Ah, suroy na siya dire? Ah, dire mo nagano? Namingwit? Oh my God, almost.